bike is so freaking sick. It's so fun. I don't know if there's anything better than just ripping on a two-stroke. Seriously, I feel so good through there. I feel like a pro. I'm having too much fun on this bike, dude. Alright, inside. Oh! My foot was on the rear brake. I just stalled it. Oh man, she's crisp. She just sounds healthy. It just catches the power so fast. Oh my god, it takes off like a freaking rocket ship. This KX is absolutely eating them, man. Buddy. Woo! Make it a little sketchy. Oh, my front end is insane. Whoa! Oh my god! Yeah! That's what I want to see, buddy. Woo! Alright, let's get this corner, D-Rack. You got it. Confidence. Oh! Then we almost stuffed it. I'm so stoked to have conquered that section, man. Oh my god! I swear to god that sand wanted to kill me, man. It almost took me out. Oh no! No, not my baby! Scary. I got like speed wobbles. But I gotta figure out how to corner this thing, because I mess up like every corner. That was pretty good. Alright, can we hit this one too? Paul's racing off his jump, first time he's hit it. Oh my goodness, that was scary as shit. You good? A little bit faster, there you go. Oh my goodness. A little bit sideways, scared me a bit. Oh my god! Alright. Holy shit, dude. Water break. Time for a water break. Oh my god, dude. Let's get it cleared there. There we go. Much better. this guy to hit this. Yeah, buddy. Oh my god, I want to try this so bad. I am definitely not on the right bike for this. I feel like I can try this. Try this enduro cross crap. Okay, he really popped up over that. Absolutely hate this bike on this enduro stuff. The clutch is absolutely killing my finger. Not a meter shift, just keep it third. Yeah, that was smoother, dude. The head shake on this bike is insane. The amount of times that this front wheel just bounces all over the place, it's crazy.
Just lay down. You alright, bud? What hurt?
Oh, just got the wind knocked out of me.
Yeah.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah, yeah, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about
you?